Hello, good morning, everyone. Today is 2024, February 26. Today will be covered at least four research houses topics. So let's starting with the disclaimer. So the stock mentioned in this video is serving as a learning purposes. It's not buying, selling call for the viewer or subscriber. Let's starting with the last Friday's US market. So I would say last Friday market in the US is mixed. S&P 500 Dow Jones is up slightly, and the Nasdaq dropped slightly, pausing for the tech stocks. So we have a look on the US stock future muted as the tech rally slow. Fear persists. So there's nothing much on the. There's no special news in the US. So we have a look on the charting US. See is there any changes right over there or not. So we can see that the uptrending still remain. It seems to be we're having a lower high right over here. We can see there's a curve right over here, but anyhow the index is still standing above 20-day moving average, and the uptrending still remain. So we have a look. We have a look here. Uptrendings remain higher, and we have last week candlestick is red candles, open high, close low. So uptrending remain. 20 days moving average Nasdaq remain uptrending. So there's nothing much changes. S&P 500 as well, and the Dow Jones as well. There's nothing much changes in the US market. Remain uptrend. So we have look on the local markets. So last Friday KLCI up by 3 points. The trendings remain high, uptrend. The curve for the index remains looping upside, 20-day moving average upside. So all showing the positive trending at this moment in the local Malaysia market. So we have a look on the what they call Telegram channels. So we're starting with the Maybank Investment Bank review, market review. They said the mixed performance on the Wall Street last Friday, absent of fresh catalyst, will likely weigh on the market sentiment. So investors likely to step back ahead of the earnings seasons. Technically, they are expecting the index to trade within 1540 and 1560 20 points range. Support level is 1505 and 1477. Nothing much changes as well. Pretty much similar to last Thursday market review. So we have a look on the last week. Last week, Friday, I did mention some stock in the Telegram channel, YTL Powers, and couple of property stock as well. I did starting with one of the Mandarin sessions of the 股利唔到. Okay, so there will be market reviews before market closing, stock pick as well. So that was the first sessions on the last Friday, which is Mandarin versions. If you're free, you can have a look on it. So anyhow, last Friday the stock that I mentioned in the videos doesn't appear in the stock picks today by the research houses. That's okay, never mind. So we go ahead for the stock picks for first investment house, which is CGS, Awan Biru, Awan Tech. So we can see the trending is moving higher and higher. We can see the slope is higher, trending breakout over the short terms. Last Friday closing 45 cents. Stop loss level given is 39 cents. Seems to be too large to me, which is around 13%. Should be around 13%. The target given is 48515 and 54. So we have a look on the chartings, 48515 and 514. The swing for this trending remain positive. I would say still okay. Anyhow, the trading plan seems to be if you are targeting for the second and third resistance level, then I would say acceptable for the target but the stop loss seems to be too large to handle. Maybe if you are entering, maybe you can adjust it higher, maybe around 405 level. So the next topic is Fajar. So last Friday it was closing at 32 cents. Stop loss level given is 2.5, slightly above 10% level stop loss level. The target given is 3.5, 3.7, and 40 cents. So we can see the sideways consolidation is right here. So I believe CGS is expecting the Fajar to be breaking higher to break the resistance to test 355 level. Firstly, the resistance. So 3.7 40 cents. I think it will be take far more longer times for it. So the next topic covered by research house would be Maybank Investment Bank. The first one would be Franken Corporation. So overnight closing, last Friday closing 371. Stop loss level is 338. So pretty much standard of the stop loss level, which is at the previous swing low. So the buying level seems to be too high to me. I would say if you are entering for this stock, you may wait for the pullback, which last Friday already pulled back. I would say you can wait for more pullback, somewhere around 360 level for a better entry. So the target given is 405 followed by 437. Yes, 405 followed by 437 for Frankens. And the next topic would be Penta. Sorry, I picked the wrong country. Penta Master. So we can see that the last Friday it was seems to be a trend changing high level. So 454. So the stop loss level given is 418, target given is 499 and 553. I would say if you are entering for these stocks, I would say you wait for the pullback before you're entering, so you can draw some downtrend line here. So it managed to happen to be a breakout on the last week. So that's why Maybank Investment Bank chart this is calling for the buy. But in my view, you need to wait for the pullback. Where is the acceptable pullback? Would be somewhere around 443 level. So if you like this stock, you can follow their trading plan as well, because the risk reward pretty much standard. So the next topic covered by research house of M Bank would be M Cement, Malayan Cement. So you can see the stock for the trending still is in a healthy uptrending. Last Friday they managed to break a recent high, which is 405, closing at 405. Stop loss level given is 452. Acceptable stop loss. Target given is 453 and 450 level. So we have a look on the larger picture right here. The trending is still strong for the uptrendings. We have a look on the next research house, which is UOB EMCC. So newly listed stocks. So overnight closing, last Friday closing 425. Stop loss level given is 39 cents. Acceptable. Stop loss level given is 4.6 and 4.9, pretty much standard for the trading plan. Next topic would be Evergreen. They did mention technical buy on breakout 3-4 So it haven't breakout yet. I need to draw one more additional line for the breakout 3-4, right? It's somewhere around here. It's purple line breakout. So the stop loss level given is 329. I think there's a arrow on the stop loss level because there's no 9 at the behind. Supposedly, I gonna presume that their stop loss will be somewhere around 325 or 332 or 3.2, somewhere around there. So because you're entering at 345, right, you can use buy stop limit order to assist you. So the target given would be 3.5 and 4.2. 3.5 and 4.2. I need to draw a line here. I miss out the target. 3.5 and 4.2 will be somewhere here. So I'm gonna share the chartings later on in the Telegram channel and WhatsApp channels. You can get it right over there. The last stock pick cover by today will be Genitech. So they are calling for the potential buy. I believe they are playing for the string for the downtrending. But anyhow, I don't like the downtrend stocks. I don't like the downtrend stock. Last Friday closing 307. Stop loss level given is 184. Pretty much seems to be how many percent? Around 10%. So far so good for the stop loss level. The target given is 223 and 234. So 223 and 234, okay, pretty much standard support resistance, but I don't like for the downtrending stocks. Anyhow, if you like it, you may follow their trading plan. So this the stock will be shared in the Telegram and WhatsApp channels for the chartings. If you like it, you can go to the channels at the description for the chartings. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.